Sneaker botting. Expectations versus reality. Botting for the very first time. Expectation. Damn, I want those shoes, but now that I got myself a $7,000 bot, it should be easy. And just like that, I can get anything I want and make thousands of dollars in the process. Reality. Alright, it's release day, time to set up my $7,000 bot. We're gonna go for Foot Locker, size, obviously going for my size. Not really sure what goes here, I'll try AJ4 University Blue, that should work. Proxies, that's probably not important. Number of tasks, is there a limit? The more the better, right? Create. What just happened? Alright, I got it back open. I think I just pressed this button and I should be getting my sneakers. Is it doing something? It's just stuck on here. Oh man, it says sold out. Did I get anything? The staff said they got 40,000 checkouts on the bot. That's cap, bro. I didn't get a single one. I just wasted my money. I got scammed. This bot is a scam. This whole botting thing is a scam. Maybe I did something wrong. Let me make a ticket. It's my proxies. I could have sworn these proxies were good. Alright, let me make a ticket in the proxy Discord. He said it's a bot issue? Running for releases. Expectation. Oh my god, I got one. Another one. Another one? Reality. Alright, good luck everyone. We have about 5 seconds before the drop. Yo, I'm getting hella errors. Is anybody else getting this?
Oh my god, I got 30 off.
Getting so many errors.
The checkouts are rolling in. They're coming in. They're coming in. They're coming in.
Just
37.
Another one? No. Oh my god.
I'm gonna become broke at this point.
Yo, I got 10 years.
Burgers, I need to talk to you, man. How many did you say you hit?
Dude, today was an absolute feast. I hit I think it was around 300 pairs or something like that. I haven't fully counted all my webhooks yet, but I'm thinking it's looking like around 300-ish pairs, dude. It was an absolute movie.
Okay, what bot did you use?
You know, the one and only Wrath.
Dude, me too. My Wrath didn't do anything. How many tests did you even run?
I was only running around 800. I didn't run that many, to be honest. I probably should have ran more. I probably would have hit 1,000 clip or something like that.
Dude, 800. So did I. Okay, what about your proxy servers? How many profiles? Tell me your whole setup, dude. I can't figure this out.
For my proxies, I ran, obviously the one and only the GOAT, Notified Proxies. Big shout out to them. Judge, love the man. And then for my server, we ran 10x servers. You gotta have that 24-hour server going, get those bots moving and stuff like that. And I ran about 100 profiles. I used a bunch of my Amexes and stuff like that. But yeah, that was basically my setup. I just ran Notified Proxies, 10x servers, and I had around 100 profiles. I don't know if it was exactly 100, but it was around that.
Okay, so you're telling me I had the exact same setup as you, You hit 300. I hit 0.
How did you hit 0, bro? We had literally the same exact setup. It was an absolute feast. Like, what did you do wrong? I'm confused as to what you did wrong, because I think I could have hit 1,000 clip if I wouldn't have stopped tasks. Like, it was just that crazy. It was just check out. Like, it was going crazy. So, yeah, I don't know. What are you doing?
Having a lot of bots. Expectation. Reality. Alright, so I have about 10 gigabytes of residential data, 300 ISP proxies, 2 servers. So that means I could probably run about 3 bots for this release without spreading my resources too thin. Well, Nebula, Cyber, and Wrath went crazy for the past few releases, so I'm gonna go with those. So Nebula, you're up, Wrath, you're up, and Cyber, that's the trifecta. We're about to destroy this release. Alright, let's run it up. Nothing is happening. I'm just getting errors all over the place. What? It's out of stock already? Dude, it's only been like 3 minutes. There's no way it's out of stock that fast. Yo, what's good, Jack? How'd you do on the release?
I got about 40 checkouts, nothing crazy. Kylan, Ganesh, NSB pretty much took all the stock. I saw people hitting 1,000 clips.
Kylan? Ganesh? NSB? Bro, I have those bots.
So you must have got at least 500 checkouts.
I didn't run them.
Why?
Right, I think Kylan is gonna do good for this release. Damn. Kodai did good. Next drop, I think Wrath is gonna do good. I'm wrong again. What bot took the entire stock? Of course, there are exceptions to this. People that can effectively run all their bots at the same time most likely spend $10,000 to over $20,000 a month on operating costs. I'm not one of those people. Joining a reselling community. Expectation. What's an IP address? I keep reading about this IP address thing. I think it might be pretty important for botting, but I'm not sure. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask this new botting community that I just joined. Oh, I'm getting a call. Maybe it's someone that wants to help me.
An IP address is a set of numbers that identifies your internet network. That's why when you're botting, you need to use
Reality. So I'm gonna go ahead and ask this new botting community that I just joined. Why is everybody so mean? Oh, I'm getting a call. Maybe it's someone that wants to help me. Hello? Yeah, man, I'm trying to get into botting, but I can't really seem to get the hang of it. Like, it's pretty tough, so I really appreciate you for taking the time.
Yeah, honestly, I was having a lot of difficulties too, but there's one thing that really was able to help me were the goblin proxies.
Goblin proxies? Can you send me a link?
Yeah, sure. It's just goblin on these nuts.
There are many botting and reselling communities that are quite the opposite of helpful. And it can be very frustrating, especially if you're just looking for somebody to help you, considering that botting can be quite complicated and is probably even more complicated for people who aren't that good with computers. In Notify, however, we provide 24/7 support, question hours, one-on-one voice sessions, and exclusive information to help make sure that all of our members are prepared as possible for any sneaker release. And let's be honest, whether or not you have a bot, getting limited sneakers can be really tough. So we also provide several other ways of making money. Electronics reselling, brick flips, streetwear flips, trading cards, fitted hat flips, and much more. And if you want to be a part of it, Notify will be restocking on July 16th at 7 p.m. EST via an application. We're going to ask you some questions about yourself to see if you're a good fit for our group, but unfortunately memberships are limited, so not everyone who submits an application will get accepted. Again, the link to the application will be tweeted out on our Twitter at Notify at 7 p.m. EST, so be on the lookout for that and I'll see some of you guys in there. Hope you enjoyed the video.